Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you might be confused at numbers 9 through 11 on the homework. I'm just going to give you some quick tips just to help you out. This first problem, I will point out that it is a quadratic equation because we have an x squared. To solve it, you can do one of two things. You can use the quadratic formula, which I trust you to be able to Google that if you don't remember. Excuse me. Or you can actually move 12 to the other side, and in this case, I think you get something that is factorable. So if you can figure out how to factor this guy right here, you should be able to get number 9. Number 10, on the other hand, is not factorable. If you want to solve this, yes, you need to use the quadratic formula. Alternatively, you can graph it and look at the x-intercepts. Your choice there. You can go to Desmos.com and try to graph this, but I would recommend using the quadratic formula for that. This last problem, a little harder. You've never seen an x as an exponent. This is called an exponential equation, okay? Because x is now an exponent. My advice, isolate the 3 to the x power. I won't tell you what to do. I'm pretty sure you can figure it out. Let's just pretend that you do a little math. I think you know what to do. Get 90 times 3. 90 equals, rather, 3 to the x power. I'm willing to bet if you get it down to this point, by the way, it's not 90 over here, it's some other number. Regardless of what's over here, I'm willing to bet just by inspection, by guessing and checking, you could probably figure out 3 to the what power and gives you this number over here. There is a special operation that allows you to cancel out a variable that's in an exponent. We can talk about that a little bit tomorrow. It involves something called a logarithm. But anyways, my advice, get it to this point, then guess and check. In review, you can do the first one by factoring. You can do this second one by either graphing or the quadratic formula. Look that up online if you don't know it. And lastly, get the 3 to the x by itself and then see if you can't guess and check. Thanks, guys.